For the power and function, including the organizational chart, letter A, Dangerous Drugs Board, and letter B, Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. The Dangerous Drug Board, or DDB, and Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, or the PDEA, both play a crucial role in the Philippine efforts to combat illegal drugs. For the Dangerous Drug Board, or DDB, function, the DDB is policy-making and strategy formulating body and planning and formulation of policies and programs on drug prevention and control. For the powers, it has the authority to prescribe the minimum standards and guidelines for treatment and rehabilitations of drug depends on Philippine Drugs Enforcement Agency, or the PDEA. For the powers, it has the authority to prescribe the minimum standard of guidelines for treatments and rehabilitation of drug dependence. The Philippine Drugs Enforcement Agency, or the PDEA, for the functions of PDEA, it is the lead agency responsible for enforcing the country's laws and regulations of illegal drugs. For the powers, it has the authority to arrest and apprehend violators of the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, conduct searches and seizures, and initiate legal actions against drug offenders. Organizational relationship, the DDB sets the overall policies and standards for drug controls in the Philippines. For the PDEA, PDEA as the enforcement arms, implements these policies through law enforcement activities including investigations, raids, and arrest. Together, these agencies work to address the drug problem in the Philippines through a combination of policy making, enforcement, and rehabilitation efforts.